Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to today's video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can change your YouTube profile picture on your mobile phone. So the first step in order to do this is to make sure you have the most up-to-date version of the YouTube app. So I'm going to go to the Play Store, and you can go to the Apple App Store as well, and I'm just going to search for YouTube. Click on YouTube, and as you can see I have it installed already. So the next step I want to do is actually go into the YouTube app and make sure I'm logged into the account that I want to change the profile picture on. Then you go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right, your little channel icon, and now it says your channel name, and at the bottom of that it says manage your Google account. So I tap on manage your Google account, and now we're presented with this. All I need to do now is tap on personal information. It's the second option there under Google account. And then you have the option where it says photo. You can see a little camera picture over there. All you do is tap on that little camera icon, and it will give you the option to upload a new picture. So I'm going to go ahead and select from my computer, but this is from my mobile phone, and I'm just going to select files, and I'm going to select this profile picture that I took. And now it's uploading this new profile picture. So I can crop it now, and that crop looks good to me, so I can go ahead and set that as my new profile picture if I want to. I'm not going to do it in this situation because I have a profile picture already, but that is how you do it. So guys, if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about technology and social media every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace guys.